Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Okay, let's get into today's class. Okay, in previous class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about sense organs. Yes or no? Yes. And we have read two paragraphs. Yes or no? And I have underlined some hard words. I told you to practice. And I told you to read the paragraph twice or thrice. Yes or no? Yes. And I have told in the previous class, I will explain each and every sense organ briefly. Okay. Now, today's our topic is our eyes. Our eyes. Okay. How many eyes we have? 100. How many eyes we have? 2 eyes. Generally, a human body has 2 eyes. This is the most valuable sense organ that enables us to see the world around us. Human eye is one of the most valuable sense organ that enables us to see the world around us. Without eye, we cannot see anything. Yes or no? You have 2 eyes, so that you are watching my videos. Without the eyes, you can watch my video? No, you can hear. So eyes are very important to us. Eyes are very important to us. This is the most valuable sense organ. Yes or no? Now we see the world with our eyes. So this is the most valuable sense organ. No, how you have to protect? We have to take utmost care while protecting our eyes. We should not sit close to the television. While we are watching the television, we have to maintain minimum 5 feet or more than 5 feet also, no problem. But some of them are watching the television very near. No? Here the television and you are sitting here and you are watching. This is not good to your eyes. Okay children, you have to maintain 3 feet or 5 feet, more than 5 feet distance you have to maintain, and you have to watch. While you are watching the television also, you should on the light. In which room you are watching, you should on the light. You should on the light and you should watch the television. Without owning the light, when you are sitting in the dark room, you should not watch the television. Okay, and we should not read in the dim light also. In dim light, you should not read. Without turning on the light, we should not watch the television, and we should not read in dim light. Okay, we should turn on the light and we should read the what we are reading. We have to read read in proper light and proper ventilation. Okay, we should not read in darkness. Okay, my dear children, you have to take this all the precautions how to protect your eyes. Okay, and while watching, now suppose you are watching my videos through the phone, you should not take the phone near to your eyes. You should maintain somewhat distance. You have to, suppose you are sitting here, you have to put your phone here. Don't put your phone near to your eyes like this. You have to maintain some distance. Okay, if you are taking near the mobile phone to your eyes, now what will happen? You will get sight, and you should in coming days you cannot see the things properly. You have to use specs like me. Okay, you have to take the phone somewhat distance and watch the videos, and you should use the now we are all insisting you to use the mobile phone, but in previous days you should not use mobile phone, but now it is necessary because now the situations are bad. Because this COVID-19, you cannot come to the school. So so that you cannot come to the school, but you want education. How it is possible? Through only mobile phone. So for studying purpose, for studying purpose, you have to use mobile phone. But for unwanted things, you should not use the mobile phone. Unwanted things means playing games, playing PUBGs, playing chess and carom board. You should not use mobile phone. Okay, you have wantedly you have to use. Wantedly means to watch the videos or something which is benefiting, which is benefit to you. You have to watch the phone. You have to use the phone for unwanted purpose. Unwantedly you should not use the mobile phone. If you use more and more mobile phone, slowly your eye, under the eye, you will under the eye. This is your eye. For suppose under the eye, the skin will become darkness. Okay, okay. Now, and every day morning while waking up, a small yellow color pus is coming out. No, you have to clean that one. You have to wash your eyes properly, and we should not see very dark light. If you see continuously, you can try. If you see continuously into dark sunlight, no, what will happen to our eyes? We will get some darkness, no. So that you should not see that dark light. And you are small kids, you don't know. You will take some sharp things and you will put into your eyes. That time what will happen? Your eyes will spoil. So you should not take the sharp things, and you should not rub your eyes like this. Okay, you have to maintain smoothly, because this is the smooth. The nerves are also very light and smooth. Okay, now all of you open the textbook, page number 12. Open. All of you take. Okay. Now see here more about our sense organs. Here what is here? Our eyes. Now all of you put the finger here. Our eyes. Oh, you are our. Read with me. While I am reading something, no, you have to read with me. And while I ask you to put the finger, you have to put the finger and you have to read. O, you are our. E, Y, E, S, our eyes. W, E, B, S, E, E, C, T, H, E, the, W, O, R, L, D, world. W, I, T, H, with. O, you are our. E, Y, E, S, eyes. We see the world with our eyes. Yes, no. We see the world with our ears. We are seeing through ears. No, we are seeing through our eyes. Next, all of you put finger here in this box. H, O, W, how. C, A, N, can. T, A, K, E, take. C, A, R, E, care. Take care. O, F, off. O, U, R, E, Y, E, S, eyes. How can we take care of our eyes? I have already told, no. One thing. While you are reading, while you are taking some book, and while you are reading, no, you should not put your book like this. You have to maintain this much distance. You should not put it like this. This is not good to your eyes. While you are seeing too near, no, your eyes will take more work, more stress on your eyes, so that your eyes will spoil. See, W, E, B, S, H, O, U, L, D, should. N, E, V, E, R, never. S, I, T, sit. T, O, O, to. C, L, O, S, E, close. T, O, to. T, H, E, there. T, E, L, E, V, I, S, I, O, N, television. S, C, R, E, E, N, screen. we should never sit too close to the television screen. Next one. WEPSHOULD. Should. We should. NEVER. Never. READ. Read. IN. DIM. Dim. LIGHT. Light. We should never read in dim light. Okay. See, we see the world with our eyes. And how can we take care of our eyes? How can we take care? Have told no. We should never sit too close to the television screen. We should never read in dim light. Okay, these are the precautions to protect our valuable eyes. Okay, now all of you take your pencil and underline the hard words. I will give some hard words. See. SHOULD. Should. Next. Television. 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 Next. Never. 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 Next. READ. Read. Next. Dim. 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 Next. Light. 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 Okay. If you by heart these hard words, no, in today's hard words and previous class I have do, you can if you by heart these spellings very well, no, you can write your answers or fill in the blanks or missing letters without any mistake. Okay. Now see, SHOULD. 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 Next. TELEVISION. 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 NEVER. 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 READ. 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 DIM. 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 LIGHT. 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 Okay. You practice these hard words and take the pencil and underline the hard words in your textbook and read the textbook twice or thrice up to here, up to our eyes, up to here. Okay, up to here you have to read and you have to practice these hard words. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you all.